second grade. Welcome back to music class with Mrs. Lassig. I hope you're as excited to see me as I will be to see you. So I want to review the crazy part of our words in We Go Together. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to walk through it once and then I'll play it and dance it with the music. Hopefully you can get up and get moving and practice with me. So this goes by rows. So I want you to think about which row you're in your music home in music class. So think about, am I in row 1, row 2, row 3, or row 4? Because I'm going to be calling out your numbers, so really think about what you are going to be doing. So now this part, it's kind of fun. Row 4 gets to start us out. So row 4, you start with Rama Lama Lama, Kadinga Dinga Dong. So row 4, do it with me. Rama Lama Lama, Kadinga Dinga Dong. And then row 3 gets to do Shoo Bop Shoo Wad Wada Yippity Boom Da Boom. Row 2 does Chang Chang Changity Chang Shabop. And row 1 does Dip 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 Doo Wop Da Dooby Doo. Then 3 and 4 together get to do Boogity 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 Shooby Doo Wop Shabop. And 1 and 2 together get to do Shana Nana 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 Yippity Dip Da Doom. So, and then we repeat that whole thing again before we do the ending. So it does it twice. So it does row 4, Rama Lama Lama, Kadinga Dinga Dong. Row 3, Shoo Bop Shoo Wada Wada Yippity Boom Da Boom. Row 2, Chang Chang Changity Chang Shabop. Row 1, Dip 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 Doo Wop Da Dooby Doo. Then 3 and 4, Boogity 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 Shooby Doo Wop Shabop. 1 and 2, Shana Nana 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 Yippity Dip Da Doom. And then everyone together, Wop Babaloo Bop, a Wop Bam Boom. So here we go. I'm going to do a whole run through with the music. So practice, see if you can remember which part you do and spit out all those words. Good luck, you guys. You're awesome.